Hey, Max here. I am creative engineer at Zoo, and I would like to show you Zookeeper around. Zookeeper is our ML-powered chat for asking questions and creating geometry. Zookeeper is located on the right side of Zoo Design Studio. Whenever you're prompting anything, you can always pick between thoughtful and fast modes. Fast is quicker for generating simple things like asking around, but if you have thoughtful on, it will surely get you covered for everything, including questions and generating and editing geometry. Right in the corner, you have an indicator of remaining balance. If you're using free, it's just the remaining credits. If you're using plus, you have an overrun. Overrun shows how much will be charged in case you spend all your credits and continue using Zookeeper. And for the pro users, it will show you have unlimited credits. Whenever you would like to start the new task within the same project, it's a good idea to clear the chat to get rid of the context. But in case there is anything in the chat you would like to save, you can always export the whole chat as the text file. In case if you have any questions, like how do you generate or edit geometry, how to ask around and use web search, please make sure you visit our channel and drop the comment below.